Hi there, students. A meal ticket. Okay, if you say somebody or something is a meal ticket or your meal ticket, it means that without this characteristic or without this person, you would not be able to maintain the lifestyle which you have. It's literally this person is providing us with our meals. So I recommend you be nice to your dad because your dad is your meal ticket. Yeah. Maybe 50 or 60 years ago, the idea that you got a good university degree and this was a meal ticket for life. Yeah, this is something that's going to provide you with a good source of income, a good way of living. It's your livelihood, is your meal ticket. I guess you could also use this word, a meal ticket, is literally a ticket that you swap for a meal. So first, if you want to eat in the cafeteria here, firstly you need to go to the office and buy a meal ticket, and then when you get to the cafeteria, you choose what you want and you give them the meal ticket. That's very literally, but if a person is your meal ticket, this is the person that is the source of your income. Okay, so a team might have one or two really good players who are the meal ticket for the team. My profession is my meal ticket. It's what provides the my way of living. Okay, so a meal ticket. It's a person or a thing or a skill that provides income. So your ability to get on with even the most unpleasant people could well turn out to be a meal ticket. Or if you marry someone with lots of money, lots of cash, then they are your meal ticket. Yeah? Or maybe if you're a really good musician, this could be your meal ticket. I mean, literally, originally, it's this a paper coupon that you redeem for food, but nowadays we use it much more figuratively. Yeah. Be nice to your boss because this job is your family's meal ticket. Yeah, it's where your money comes from. So a good university degree should be a meal ticket for life, but that nowadays it's not. So it's something or someone that provides you with the money you need to live or to maintain a certain lifestyle. Yeah, so the actress fell in love with me and she was my meal ticket for many years. She held me in, she looked after me in a style which I could not have afforded. Yeah, so the meal ticket is a person or a thing that you depend on as your source of financial support. Yeah, it's where your cash comes from. It's really your livelihood, your bread and butter, your keep, your support, your living. So without your meal ticket, you're going to have to find some other way of getting your money. So a ticket or a voucher that you can swap for food. Okay, so volunteers who work for us are given meal tickets so that they can go to the cafeteria and eat. And this job, I absolutely hate this job, not true, but it's my meal ticket. It's a good meal ticket. It is a source of income or livelihood that I can exploit to pay for things. So formality, a meal ticket. 3.5 informality, 4 informality. Use it informally, use it in a semi-formal conversation. Semi-formal writing, just about, yes, but certainly no more. Yeah, and originally a meal ticket is a ticket that you give for a meal, but then that's been used figuratively. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Meal ticket.